leg. This is really good. This is like the third or fourth time I've asked him to do it. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on. No, we don't want to go fast. We want you to go over. Over. I know. This is hard. Lots of school that says leg moves forward. Now you got legs telling you to move over. Good boy. The nice thing about learning how to do a side pair, when you're learning how to do it, you're going down a trail, you want to move over to avoid something, you just chew them and slide over.